Hello, I hope this video finds you well. Tonight we are looking at first two from strings 1, and this is a Python solution. The problem states, given a string, return the string made of its first two chars, so the string hello yields he. If the string is shorter than length 2, return whatever there is, so x yields x, and the empty string yields the empty string. We can look at the examples here and see hello is he, A, B, C, D, E, F, G is AB, and AB returns AB. Now I have a whole bunch of comments in here because I wrote these when I'm helping students and I think it's really helpful, and I didn't think you wanted to sit and watch me do this. Remember, you can find full solutions with comments on my GitHub repository that's linked in the comments. So the big idea here is this idea of a length check. The last couple nights I've been doing things about substring, and a lot of them have said assume that the string is larger than whatever, and therefore you can just do the work without any length check. Well, with this problem, if the string length is less than 1, we're going to return whatever the string is. So that means I need an if statement. So I'm going to say if len of str is greater than 1, I'm going to return str, and I'm going to grab the first two characters using that substring call. Otherwise, I'm just going to return str. And that works perfectly fine. So this is what this problem is trying to get at, that idea of a length check before going through with the substring. Now, let's do this another way, and let's acknowledge the nice things about Python. And this is a Python thing, but this will work simply by saying return str02. This is a Python thing. Python is really forgiving in that if I try and access a substring from 0 to 2 and there's less than 2 characters, it's just going to give me what's there. But it's really important as a beginning programmer to be aware that if you do this in Java or C, you get what's called an index out of bounds error. And along with that is sometimes I'll have students try and do this problem, and instead of using the substring, they'll return str at 0 plus str at 1. So this is grabbing the first element and the second element and returning it. Now you might expect this to work, but it actually crashes, because whereas substring is really forgiving in Python, using the individual character accessing, you will get those index out of bounds errors. And that's it. I hope this video helped, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out.